The DTG Workbench PowerStation. Mobile, rugged, intelligent, built exclusively for warehouse and manufacturing floors. Tracking straight and true, every time. One intelligent power source. Every device on the bench, fully charged, always ready. When you need more power, hot swap in seconds. Zero downtime, zero disruption. From distribution centers to production lines, DTG keeps operations moving. Shift after shift, floor after floor.